Hey guys, another video. Haven't posted in a while, so thought why not? I gotta keep the camera up. Forget about that. But yeah, I noticed the last time I posted was 3 weeks ago. I'm really trying to post more often. But, I mean, actually I turned on comments, by the way, so you guys can actually... Oh yeah, so I turned comments back on. So, well, because I didn't really know how to turn those back on, but now they're working now, so you can let me down in the comments what you want to see. And I didn't want to do more videos just in my backyard. I thought you'd find it boring. I was just doing the videos in the same spot. So if you guys want to see something else, let me know. Mom, an otter. There's an otter right there. It's an otter. Oh, I thought it was an otter. That's what I thought it was. I thought it was a snake at first.
I don't even know what it was. It looked like a...
I thought that was a large snake at first. Alright, we're gonna have some fun. Oh, and I kind of solved the why. Here we go. It's because my camera was more this way, because the stand I have it on, I had it kind of in the center. So I moved it more this way, and now it actually works. And I got the maxx all cleaned up. I'm just gonna put it back. There we go. Kind of got the back of it cleaned, and also the front. I got all the arms on all four sides cleaned. I got both of the shock heads also cleaned as well. Pretty mouthy. So here's what. Mom, I love doing that. I hope a sports car comes by so I can do that. Okay, let's see these people want to race. That kind of gave me a heart attack. If I would have crashed into her, my RC car would have definitely been done. Oh, and since I found out a better way to mount my phone on. Oh, by the way, if you guys saw the short, oh my god, alright, if you guys saw the short that I uploaded, in that video, I actually showed you guys the spray paints that finally came in. They were supposed to get here tomorrow, but I guess today is also fine. Alright. But yeah, anyway, paints are here. I got the body shell. I actually haven't shown you guys yet, but I'm putting stickers on it. When I put it in, well, the next video I make, which will be tomorrow, I will paint the body shell, and in that video I will show you guys the stickers I'm putting on it. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pretty cool. Obviously, it's gonna be red. Oh, the top, it's gonna be mainly red, and I'm gonna bottom it off with white, so it makes the color pop more. Oh, there we go. It keeps on going dark on me. Alright, but anyway, let's get back to the video. Smack action. Okay. Oh, and I know I said in the last video I made that I would go live if we hit 10 subscribers. Anyway, I know I said I'd go live then. I will try to do the paint the red body shell a live stream. So, because obviously I said I promised I'd do that. But obviously if it's a regular video, that means I couldn't go live. And people keep on telling me that I have to be at a certain amount of subscribers to actually go live. But I mean, if you guys can let me down in the comments if I can or cannot, that'd be really, really helpful. And trust me, I will read them. I will. I don't know what that car was back there, but that looked pretty cool. I know it wasn't a McLaren, but it kind of had the same headlight shape as a McLaren. All right, anyway, so my dad actually got a new Traxxas boat. I'm hoping to get a boat soon as well. I'm gonna try to get the Spartan. I'm actually gonna give you guys a closer view of it. Yeah.
This thing's very wobbly.
Pretty big boat. There's a bubble there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. There he goes. See him right there. God. This wall was way too much.
Dad's trying to put his boat in there.
Oh, sorry. I almost fell off. Some beavers are swimming everywhere.
Oh, there's one. That's a baby.
So this boat's supposed to go 50 miles an hour. I believe him, but only thing that sucks is the last 35 minutes. So I guess we'll wait. I guess we'll see if it does go that fast or not. Sounds like a diesel. Not diesel, I mean a nitro.
Poor buddy.
I wonder if the thing will go actually 50
anymore.
miles an hour. Careful.
You're gonna be swimming out a ways to go get that.
Yeah, Dad, if that only way to turn that thing faster is you gotta go way faster to turn harder. You gotta give it some speed to turn. Full speed, Dad, come on.
I'm strange on that thing.
Yeah. He gonna be swimming.
No, trust me, it's a Traxxas remote. If it will turn, it will definitely have some good
Dad,
signal.
you gonna run into the moss.
I told you, Dad, you gotta go fast. You gotta go faster to turn it.
Have that wide of a range.
Dad's gonna run out of range.
Guess backing it up does help too. You gotta now turn it when you're going that fast.
Because you're not supposed to, so it heats up the engine really quick.
Yeah, it says that, but the only way to actually turn is to actually go faster.
Oh.
Ah,
Thankfully it's got reverse.
some terrible quality.
Over here is a safe place.
It's awful bouncy.
That's why I'm saying you shouldn't have put the batteries back.
You're gonna run out of range.
Even though it's on pretty smooth water, it's still gonna
I'm not
bounce.
watching this.
I can't wait to watch him swim after it.
Yeah, that's weird. You
No.
can go backwards in these. My
Thank
boat.
God this thing has reverse.
Yeah, my boat does not go reverse. So if I did that, I'd be screwed. There's a bird right there.
Ow.
Oh.
There's an insane little thing.
Is that full throttle? Oh, that's definitely 50 miles an hour. Dad, I'm telling you, you shouldn't have put the batteries back.
I don't want to flip it.
You shouldn't have put the batteries back then. Yeah, try it. I'm gonna try it. I'm going to like, not full throttle, but decent throttle where you can turn. Are you good? You're good. You're good. You're good.
Dad, you're pushing.
No, he's not. It's a boat. It was meant to go in water. Plus, if you wouldn't have put the batteries back, it probably wouldn't have been bouncing.
Dad, you're pushing.
Well, it said smooth water, put it all the way back. So that's what I did.
Oh, you're good, you're good. If you guys know who says that, let me know down below. And just a little, well, just to let you know, it's definitely not from a movie. People told me it's from a movie, but I mean, I don't know what kind of movie it's from. But if you know who says that, let me down below in the comments.
I think I would move the batteries to the middle. Try that.
The what?
But I want to try moving the batteries to the middle.
That's what I'm telling you. You shouldn't have moved them, even though it's on smooth water. And then by smooth water, they mean actual still water. Even with the slightest amount of waves, will bounce it. Oh, when you go slow throttle, when you go just low throttle, it doesn't really. It's pretty quiet. Huh. It's a little sea snail. I'm gonna pick him up. All right. Anyway, back to RCs. I'm hoping one car would just go, not full speed, but try to race me. Oh, and I took the wheelie bar off. Well, actually, if I didn't, I mean, maybe I did say in the last video. But anyway, with that wheelie bar off, it really, really helps me. Well, obviously, I don't know it's any difference, but it takes off weight. And wheelie bar was just, it wasn't working out. It was just getting in the way. But yeah, thank you for the 10 subs. Oh, and that wobbling it's doing, I'm trying to fix that. What I do is I just turn down the trim. I kind of wish that car was going the other way. You know, I will definitely do a live if I can. I'll paint the body shell in the live stream.
It's not to smell and taste something.
What if you just smell and
Yeah, because something could smell like something, but when you taste it, it's entirely different consistency. Can't tell if the car's coming up there because I want to try to waste one. That was pretty awesome. Oh, there's a bike coming up that road. Perfect. See if we can get a race. Perfect. I mean, kinda. I would. Next thing I'm buying, and I can't buy yet because I'm saving up for a car. But next thing I buy for this car, it's a new battery, so I can actually last longer on this thing. That was weird. So we can do something again. I'm gonna try to burn out this whole entire thing. If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna have to do it from my back view. The tires are wet, I didn't want to do that. Ah. Hey Mom, check this out. Right here's perfect spot to do this. Yeah. Except if you really try, you can actually do the whole entire thing. Hey, get out of the way. Oh, oh, I got that. You kind of got in the way, you know.
I'm walking down the only path to walk. He just drives into walk to the side, man.
I'm waiting a couple days to finally take Mercy out.
Grouchy.
Nice, Mom. Mom, you got some skills. Trying to get a low shot of that. All right, low shot. Oh, oh. Rock just hit my finger. Ow. Oh, does it? Oh. Let's go back and watch the boat again because they're maxing with the batteries up. When I got hit in the finger with the rock back there, one went in my mouth. Ah. When I also moved the suspension down a little bit, if you guys didn't know, you can see it's way lower. I wanted it like that because it gives us that race car look. Because race car. Fast boy. I don't think you know how fast I am. Hey Mom, there's a spot right here where you can do that, I think. Ooh, that's concrete. And I probably shouldn't do that because I don't want to show my racing tires. Yum. Let's see if the boat can really go full speed now.
I'm not gonna go probably full throttle, but because it starts bouncing, I don't want to flip it. I think I may need to adjust my turn or something. With the trim tabs on the back, you can adjust.
Yeah, you're getting that bouncing.
It's supposed to bounce like that. If it wasn't designed to full throttle, they wouldn't have made it like this.
Doesn't mean you have to push everything to the limit.
Yeah, I like to kind of ease into stuff. According to the booklet, you're not supposed to constantly run full throttle, otherwise you're going to have
Maybe you gotta move the battery trays, well, the battery up more.
move them to the middle.
I would have moved them up further.
A little better, but it's, I don't know. I think
No, because if you can't even go full throttle, that's definitely not better.
I'm going close to full throttle.
Just get bouncing.
Plus, it's designed to go full throttle. Oh god, that's close. Yeah, if it was close to dying, you would have died by now. I highly doubt I think they lied about the time limit on this.
First time out, I don't want to like push it to the extreme. I'm definitely gonna have some fun with it.
Did a little jump over there. Mine's dead. Alright, that's it for the video. My phone's at 5%, so glad that actually lasted a perfect amount of timing. Anyway, please give the video a like and subscribe. It would really help my channel out a lot more. Every subscriber I get is progress. So everybody have a great day, and that's the end of the video.